Dividends have accounted for 40% of stock market returns since 1930 and 54% during decades when inflation has been high. Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to be talking about the power of dividend investing and why I think everyone should be investing in dividend stocks. If you're new here, slap that like button, hit subscribe. We love talking about dividends and passive income, and we'd love to have you join. Now let's get into the video. First off, let's talk about what is a dividend and how can you earn a dividend. So, a dividend is a cash payment from a company that's board of directors decided that paying out a certain amount of money per share was the best use for their cash. This comes typically in the form of money, but they can also buy back shares with their cash to increase shareholder value. Many companies do both, so they'll buy shares back and they'll pay a dividend at the same time. When you receive a dividend, you need to make sure that you hold the stock on the EX dividend date, which is essentially the date that the dividend is locked in, and if you own the stock on that date, you are entitled to the dividend regardless of if you sell the stock after that date. I always tell my friends to be careful because most brokerages take a day or two to settle the transactions, so it's always safest to buy the stock a couple days before the EX dividend date just to make sure you're entitled to that dividend and not the previous shareholder. Why are dividends a powerful source of income? Well, dividends are a powerful source of income because they allow you to grow your wealth without having to contribute additional money. If you purchased 100 shares of Realty Income, ticker symbol O, you would be earning a little over $25 a month in dividends that you could purchase additional equity or could be used to fund your lifestyle. The true power of dividends is the flexibility that they give you in all investing environments. We're currently experiencing a market downturn, and my dividend stocks are allowing me to purchase more equity as stocks slide down, and a year ago, when I quit my job, they allowed me to pay my bills and fund a 5-month vacation in Mexico. Many people say dividends are not worth it, but I have personally witnessed how life-changing dividends can be, and in these uncertain times, an extra paycheck is a huge boost to the family morale. How can you grow your income with dividends? Well, growing your income with dividends is pretty straightforward these days. All you need to do is download a brokerage app like Robinhood or Webull. The link for both is in the description below. If you click on the link, you're an absolute legend and I appreciate you. And once your account is funded with some money, you just need to purchase dividend-paying stocks that you have done your homework on and you believe have the ability to pay a sustainable and growing dividend. My best advice to someone just starting out is to start investing on a schedule and stay committed to growing your income. So if you put money in on certain intervals, like say every single payday, or like our small investing account on this channel, every other Friday, you're going to be growing your income on a schedule. And over time, that makes a huge difference. When I was just starting out, I put a minimum of $250 a month into my account, and before long, my dividend payments per month were over $250, and that essentially doubled the amount of money that was going into purchasing stocks every single month. When you get to a point where your dividends outpace your ability to contribute money, everyone around you will ask you how you were able to do this and how you're able to make this huge extra paycheck every single month. And you're just going to tell them, hey, I invest on a schedule, and it's basically automated at this point. I put in X amount of money a couple times a month, and now I've been able to grow this extra paycheck, and eventually it will outpace my income from my job. Are dividends safe right now? So dividends are looking sustainable for most companies right now, and the metrics I like to keep my eyes on are the payout ratios, which is the amount of money paid out to the shareholders relative to the company's net income. As inflation runs rampant through our economy, so does corporate profits, and when corporations earn more money, they tend to pay higher dividends. If we look at another example, Main Street Capital, they have been affected positively by the higher interest rate environment, and they have paid 2 special dividends in the last 4 months, and the most recent one being 17.5 cents per share. In the same period, their share prices slid down with the rest of the market, but I have been able to gain a lot more equity than I normally would when the price was higher due to the dividend reinvestment. Dividend investing, in my opinion, is superior to other investing strategies because of the income it provides relative to the risk involved. We might be able to have a higher total return if we invested in some growth stocks or bought a house that we planned on renting out, but currently, a lot of growth stocks are down 70% or more, and your house might sit vacant or require a repair like the HVAC system, maybe the plumbing, that could end up costing you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars out of your pocket. With dividend stocks, you earn a reliable base income that will help you get through the hard times in life and give you a safety net just in case life throws something at you that's completely unexpected. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, guys, and if you hit the like button and left a comment below, I would sincerely appreciate that. I love dividend stocks, and I want to encourage others to start their dividend investing journey and grow not only their income, but the quality of their future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.